Sleep tight, princess, eh?
Oh, dear.
I think one blast on the buzzer would probably be enough. What time is it?
Time you got yourself a new alarm clock?
I didn't hear it. 9:15?
Yep.
George is going to have a thrombo. Right, shirt, shower, no shower, shirt. Is he going mad? I set my alarm. It must not... I need to iron a shirt. Why didn't it go off?
Look, just the post-mortem can wait. All right, you just give me the shirt. You go and get a 1-minute shower, you reek of ale.
Oh, no. Theo must have put the ironing pile in the machine. All 4 of my white shirts are in there.
No. All right, just let me text him. Hang on. All right, be with you in 10. Panic over.
In a blue shirt with a dinner medal. For our biggest funeral ever. Panic very much on. Don't worry, Todd. It'll be fine. Might be nice.
All right, just get there as soon as you can, all right, love? Dear me.